Hey, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to trade bullish engulfing the right way because if you learn this strategy, trust me, you wanna increase your trading account fast. And today, the price opened with gap down. In the beginning, the price was oscillating. However, you see this big bullish engulfing right here, this with this candle, it is enter in call, stop loss right here below. Once you get in this trade, exit with 5 green candle in road. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. 5 green candle in road and down because if you are ambition, if you are greedy, if you want to take more profit, what happened right here? The price drop down and all your profit is going to end up reducing for that reason. Between 5 green candle, take your profit and run away because the more important is in this trade, take profit and remember the next is one good trade and one good trade and one good trade. This is the best way to trade in the stock market. Bullish engulfing because this candle involved 6 red candle or 6 previous candles. This means the buyers took the control of the position. For that reason, it is entered in call without doubt and exit with 5 green candle. That's it. Simple as that.